Hello, friends. Are you confused about choosing a career in law? Well, fret not. Gain clarity through our internship guidance and kickstart your career in legal excellence. Well, friends, I do understand that law is a huge ocean and we need to understand it step by step. For that, today we are honored to have Dr. Rajesh Bhaguna with us, who will share his wisdom about how to get a legal internship, and also he will share about the legal intricacies and nuances in the legal field. Thank you. Sir, can you please tell us about the significance of internship for a law student in terms of practical understanding of laws and jurisprudence, which is beyond the theoretical knowledge that we get in our academic studies?
Well, internship for law student is important for two reasons. Firstly, it is a requirement of Bar Council of India. Secondly, it's a gateway to enter into the profession as per choice of the student. When I say requirement of Bar Council of India, every student of law has to undergo 1 month internship every year, whether it's 5-year course or 3-year course. And when I say it is an entry to enter into the profession, means a student has to opt for the area in which he wants to go after completion of law. Like, if someone wants to practice in court of law, or he is interested to join law firm or corporate sector or any NGO or higher study or government sector, then his or her internship must be in that and only in that area. Then only it will be a gateway to enter into the profession in real sense.
Sir, how does the college support students in securing an internship during their term breaks, and what are the resources that the college give them to throughout this process?
Well, in Law College Dehradun, we have two bodies. One is CRC, Corporate Resource Center, and other one is TRD, Training and Recruitment Division. It's a student body of Law College Dehradun. And we plan their internship phase-wise. Like in first year, they should go for the NGO, commissions, libraries, or any institution where knowledge of law is not precondition to explore that institution. But when they come in second year, they have to first of all see what are you going to do after your law. Are you planning to go for the practice in court, or you are planning law firm, corporate, or some other sector, even the higher education? So now you plan your internship in that area only. What we do, we connect them with the registrars of different high courts so as to have internship with the judges of high courts as well as the Supreme Court of India, also in district courts. Not only this, even the advocates, senior advocates, good chambers, we plan their internship and guide them to join them. At the same time, what we are doing, we have some connects with the law firms and institutions which regularly need intern. And In the final year, every student in Law College Dehradun has to undergo a training with the advocates, those who are on the panel of Law College Dehradun. And it will be a hands-on training. Every student has to learn, explore, watch properly minimum 6 cases of civil matter and 6 cases of criminal matter. Not only this, our corporate resource center, they offer to the final year student some assessment internship. And when my student undergo those assessment internship, they are likely to be adopted on completion of such internship. So it's a complete strategy of internship right from first year to final year in Law College Dehradun. Law firms like Dheer and Dheer Associate, Khaitan and Khaitan, Kranjiwala and Company, Khurana and Khurana Associates, Desai and Diwanji, JNSS Legal Cell Litigators and Arbitrators, Havel India Limited, AZB and Partners. Courts and tribunals like the Supreme Court Judges, the High Court Judges, District Court Judges, State Consumer Dispute Redressal Firm, State Legal Services Authorities, State Bar Councils, Juvenile Justice Boards, Armed Forces Tribunal of India, Additional Solicitor General of India, Advocate General of States, and senior advocates, so many like Dr. Pradeep Rai and so on. Commissions like the National Commission for Women, National Human Rights Commissions, State Commission for Women of different states, Commission for Protection of Child Rights, and of course PSUs like THDC, PUCL, NTPC, Power Grid Corporation of India, NGOs like Kailash Satyarthi Children's Foundation, KSCF, India Vision Foundation, Rural and Litigation Entitlement Kendra of Dehradun, and of course government agencies like Department of Justice, Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India, CBCID, Lal Bahadur Shastri, National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie, All India Reporters, Rule Making and Implementation Committee, UCC, Uttarakhand, and so on, so forth.
Sir, on behalf of the students of Law College Dehradun, I will humbly request you for your guidance on the strategic planning of their internship throughout the course of their illustrious legal education.
My advice to the student of Law College Dehradun and those who are planning to join Law College Dehradun, and also to the student of law in general, is that they should plan their internship under the guidance and supervision of their mentors right from the first year of their program. And for first year, they should go either to the commissions or consumer firms, libraries, or any institution where knowledge of law is not precondition for the exploring of that institution. But when they enter into second year, they should first of all plan which area in law they are planning to join after completion of their course. Like if they want to join law, practice in court of law, then they must go for internship either in the district court, high court, or the Supreme Court of India. But if they want to join a law firm or they are trying to join the corporate sector, then they must go for internship in that firm only, so that when they complete 1, 2 or 3 internship in that particular area, particularly if they are in the corporate sector, at the last moment they are likely to have PPO in their hand. So dear student, plan your internship strategically, then only you can fulfill your dream in legal profession.